Oh, we got another fork. Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're coming to a new spot. Hopefully I'm allowed to park here. There's like nobody parked here, and I don't really see any signs, but we're at the Charleston Coliseum and Convention Center. They changed the name recently. It used to just be the Civic Center. Now it's a new name and we're all confused. But there's a little floating dock just in front of me that they're gonna be putting a kayak launch here this weekend. They're supposed to be, so we can come down here with a kayak too. But I've been wanting to come over here and go magnet fishing off this dock for some time now. So yeah, we're gonna give it a go real quick and hopefully we don't get in trouble. So I'm gonna grab my stuff real quick. We're gonna get down there and get to it. So we're down here on the dock. And as you can see, it's a nice floating dock. This is pretty new because they just added on all this stuff to the convention center. So this is all brand new. And somewhere down here, they're supposed to be putting the kayak thing. I know people have come down here and done like stand-up paddle boarding. So I don't really know how deep it is right here because it looks like the shore of the river right there. So I don't know. We're gonna throw the magnet out and see what happens, and we might end up back at the river park again because there was some great stuff last week. So at least this week I'm not getting rained on, so I don't know. We're gonna see what's happening right here, if anything at all. And yeah, just enjoy a new spot. So let's get to it, guys. All right, guys, we're just going no glovesies on this, I think. So, you know, it's downtown, so we're either gonna find nothing or everything, I don't know. But see, because, you know, people can walk on these bridges here, so I'm excited to take the kayak down that way and down that way and see if we don't find nothing. Feels like I got something on here. Guess I didn't. It was a lie. But I'm gonna do what I think I normally always do first and just go on the edge of this in case anybody's dropped keys or anything like that. This exact spot might not pan out, but I wanted to come over here for some time now. I've legit had dreams about it. So far, a big nothing. All right, guys, so I packed up my stuff. I think we're gonna go down to the river park because this area is just really clean, which is a good thing. Makes a boring video though, so at least we find crazy stuff at the river park, and then maybe we might go to Daniel Boone or something, because I've not been back there since we've had some flooding, so it might have put some more goodies at Daniel Boone, I don't know. I'm curious to see because I found this pile of magnetic stuff right here, and I didn't pull that off of the magnet when I was here last week, so I think somebody else has been magnet fishing down here or something, and left it, but I'll clean that up. I'll put it in my bucket and take it with me and dispose of it properly. But yeah, real weird. I don't know. Someone's checking my spots. So at least it's sunny today, so we're gonna see if we can find some more crazy. Maybe another barricade. So let's just get to it. Feels so good not to be rained on today. I like that. I should have, if I'd have known today was gonna be this nice, I would have taken a kayak somewhere. Oh, we got something heavy. We got something heavy. Oh, I think it just came off, or it broke. I think it broke off. Oh, wow, okay. So whatever that is, and this was attached to it, gobbledygook. Let's go straight back out there. See if we can't find more of that, whatever it is. It's heavy. Oh, it broke off. Some of it anyway. Okay. No idea. Whatever that is. Some more oh my word. What in the world is disintegrating right there? Some nails. I don't know what that is. A bunch of nails. Holy cow. We got something. Oh, we got another fork. I don't know what that is. And I don't know what this is. Oh, we got a fork. Always getting forks, man. You know what I'm saying? Brandon Jordan, I'm coming for you with the fork game. That's all I got to say. That's a big bolt. And chunks of metal. Chunks of metal. Here's another nail or a screw or something. Man. There's a lot of this junk here. Let me go down a little bit further. See if we can find another barricade. I would almost think that there probably is at least one more. Got something here. I have no idea what that is. That is a big chunk of metal. Okay, well, we got whatever this is. And another cluster of metal. I need to stop doing that because I'm knocking stuff back into the water. Chunk of metal. Piece of wire. A nail. Okay. Well, that was unexpected.
idea what that is. There's some electrical wire with it. Just throw these chunks back in. Alright. Almost looks like a lawnmower handle or something. Oh. Oh. We got something. It snapped to this real good. Oh. We got a can too. Okay, we got a can and another one of these chunks of metal. Hey guys, let's try this again. I was trying to talk to you down there at the river park, but it was so warm that it was overheating the phone and it shut down all the applications. So I've been chilling out in the air conditioning in the car now, so it should be fine. Yeah, not too many finds today. A lot of gobbledygook. A lot of gobbledygook. But it was good to get that stuff out of the river. Yeah, like I said, you know guys, if you're gonna go out and you're gonna try magnet fishing, and you know, if you're gonna pick it up as a hobby or whatever, make sure you clean up after yourselves. There was obviously somebody down there that was magnet fishing, and they just left stuff. And if that's the route we're gonna go, the city's gonna make an ordinance against it, or we're gonna get fined. It's going to become illegal, and we're not going to be able to do it because people are inconsiderate, and you know, they want to go out and have fun and they find cool things, and then they don't want to throw those things away. Yes, it's cool that you found like part of a chair or whatever, but don't just leave it laying there and then go throw it away. So I picked up all that stuff that was down there and threw it away, and I cleaned up and I kicked off all the excess gobbledygook that falls off of everything. Did my best to kick that in. Sorry guys, I'm like dehydrated. It was so hot, and like my mouth was just sticking together. There was like nothing and no moisture in my mouth, so I had to go get a drink right after that. I was going to talk to you in the car, but I was like, I am going to die. I sat there for 5 minutes in the air conditioning just, and I'm still a little about it, but I'm getting better, don't worry, I'll be okay. Like I said, I picked up that other person's findings and I threw all that away in the trash can and cleaned it up the best I could. And I'm gonna start getting maybe another bucket or just a smaller bucket so I can take it and rinse off the rusty nastiness that falls off and gets all over the concrete and stuff. So I'm gonna start doing that so I can clean my area up even better than I do right now. So yeah, anyway, with all that being said, guys, I'm tired, I'm wore out, hot, pretty sure I'm dehydrated, so I'm gonna go just chill for the rest of the day. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Side note, yeah, we're up to like 350 some people now, subscribers, so that's really cool. The pirate fam is growing by the day. I haven't officially told anybody, but I'm thinking when we get to 500 people, we're gonna do some kind of a giveaway. So we're still a ways off from that, but I'll just throw it out there right now, that when we get to 500, we're gonna do some kind of a giveaway as a thank you to all you guys that watch me every week, and give you guys a chance to win something cool. So yeah, all right, I'm going inside. Remember, go out there, make your own adventures. Life's short, have fun. Peace, y'all.